Joseph Davis Obe was an English professional snooker and English billiards player. He was the dominant figure in snooker from the 1920s to the 1950s and has been credited with inventing aspects of the way that the game is now played, such as break building. With equipment manufacturer Bill Camkin, he drove the creation of the World Snooker Championship by persuading the Billiards Association and Control Council to recognize an official professional snooker championship in 1927. Davis won the first 15 championships from 1927 to 1946 and remains the only undefeated player in World Snooker Championship history. He made the championship's first century break in 1930. Davis was a professional English billiards player from the age of 18 and was world billiards champion 4 times between 1928 and 1932. He was the first person to win world titles in both billiards and snooker. After his 1946 World Snooker Championship victory, he no longer played in the World Championship but did participate in other tournaments and exhibition matches until 1964, winning 4 news of the World Snooker Tournament titles. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.